Hi everyone, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ito na nga post ng GMA Network. Pwede ka rin maging isang Power Ranger, David. Tiwala lang. Catch David Licauco and other Kapuso faves on GMA's newest CSID. Ay, pangit yun. Wala si Barbie. Anyway, let's watch the video.
Dream ko at that time was to be a Power Ranger. A Power Ranger. Yung ganun. I remember like back in the day when I was younger. Power Ranger fan kasi ako. Yung dream ko at that time was to be a Power Ranger. So, yun yung hiningi ko. So, wala lang siguro like para lang din ma-remind ako ng childhood ko kasi I think it's also nice to remember your childhood kasi syempre like now, diba, with all the things that are happening to us na napakahirap, daming stress.
At next, actually luma na to. So post ng Avignon Clinic, re-repost nila ulit. Gala ready, one of GMA's biggest stars, Barbie Fortesa, is getting ready for GMA Gala night. See her preparations and treatments as she did that. Made her feel confident and red carpet ready.
Hi guys, good morning. I'm Barbie Fortesa and today I am here at the Avignon Clinic QC branch to get ready for the biggest event this year, the GMA Thanksgiving Gala. I'm super excited about this kasi if I'm not mistaken, second ball ko pa lang to, and after a couple of years of pandemic, diba? This is the first major event of GMA and I'm so excited to be part of it. And I'm so thankful that I have Avignon with me to help me get ready for it. And the treatments that I'm going to do today are, for my face, I'll do the silk facial, my favorite, it's a staple for me. And for my body, it's more of toning and skin tightening, para yung mga stubborn fats mawala. So I'll be doing the ant sculpio on my arms and my tummy. So come join me.
Hi again! That's it! Quick lang, diba? I am now done with my treatments. Thank you so much, Avignon Clinic, for helping me get event ready for the GMA Thanksgiving Gala.
And next is another video, Barbie Fortesa for BBK. So, bibingka. At yan na nga. Masarap yan, guys. In all fairness sa kanila. Malilat siya pero masarap siya. At ito na nga, guys. So, sa taping to ng P77, at hindi ko alam kung bakit magkaiba yung damit ni Barbie. Nag-change outfit siya. Yung una naka-blue, tapos, yung naka-blue siya kasama dun sa taping mismo. Yun yung suot niya sa taping. Tapos yung naka-white siya, ano na siguro yan, after taping na. Okay, gets.
Thank you so much, BBK, for our bibingka and coffee dito sa set ng Penthouse 77. Maraming salamat po. Naku, I can't wait to try your coffee actually. And your bibingka as well.
At next nga ay tweet ni Annabelle. Sabi niya, Buzz app is a voice messaging and free introduce sa Thailand, kaya doon sila nag-shoot. Google ko. Okay, so ito palang sinut nila sa Thailand. O tagal namang ipalabas, no? Nakakagigil.
Gusto mo ba kantahan kita para at least parang magkasama pa rin tayo?
At next naman ay post ni Genre, Barbie Fortesa for Pulang Araw School Tour. Kaya na, the very pretty Miss Barbie Fortesa at background ang kanyang maraming awards. At syempre ang kanyang Prada bag. At next naman, ayan na nga sa UST. At ito yung pagdating ni David. At next naman ay nirepost ni David Licauco, isang TikTok post ni Pangirl02.
Give a round of applause for Hiroshi Tanaka himself, Mr. David Licauco!
Ito actually na-miss ko sa UP. Walang nagsigawan na ganito. At saka walang nag-upload ng video na iba, di ba? Hindi napansin. Grabe. Siguro pinagbawalan yung mga student. And this is from another angle, another upload by Irish Sky. Yan nga, si David. Very handsome David Licauco. At yan naman ang pagdating ni Miss Barbara Portesa. Ayan. Unfortunately, wala siyang audio na nakakigigil. At yan nga, si pretty Miss Barbie Portesa. Iba ka, David. Grabe, nalalayan talaga sa pag-akyat. Di ba nauna na siya umakyat, tapos pinuntahan niya ulit sa sa hagdan si Barbie at inalalayan. Hindi ka gentleman. At ito nga pinost ni Mir at mukhang nakasmile si David. Grabe, mukhang super duper saya siya, di ba? At nirepost nga to ni David actually. At may nagpost nga nito sa TikTok, kung may ganito lang araw-araw sa school, di na ako uwi eh. Oo naman, lalo na kung nagkasama si si Barbie tsaka si David. So, next naman, ito post ni Jay Ortega. So, every time magsasalita talaga si David, kailangan nakaharap kay Barbie. Hindi sa audience, nasa harap naman siya, ba't kailangan kay Barbie nakaharap? At next ay post ni Sir Nathan Perolino, sabi, anong inaayos mo dyan, Ginoo? Teka, ano nga bang inaayos ni David? Sumabit pa yung pantalon ni Barbie. Tapos tweet ni Loving Mom, bakit kaya pag magkasama si Barbie at saka si David, para siyang prinsesa kung alagaan, todo-todo, alalay, secure na secure si B, parang sobrang fragile that needs to be handled with care. I've seen it each and every time they're together. He knows how to make a woman feel special, gentleman. Tapos sabi ni Tingy, magkamukha na kayong dalawa. At next ay pagbaba ni Miss Rochelle Pangilinan.
Rochelle! Isang jacket out naman dyan, Rochelle! Isang spaghetti naman dyan.
At next ay ang Barda.
Barbie! David! Barbie, David! Sumati ka!
At tweet nga ni Chinita, mabuhay ang bagong babasa hagdan. Hoy, Akiyo, ang gwapo mo. At sabi ni tweet ni Maria, bagong kasal. Hehehe, ang gwapo ni Hiroshi. At tweet ni Nathan Perolino, UST Anglicum College with Barda. I so love this picture. Ang cute nila, bagay na bagay talaga, grabe. At tweet ni Present Progressive, happiness looks wonderful on you both. Tapos tweet ni Present Progressive, bakit closer yun? Nakadikit ang ulo at genuine ang smile. Hindi po nakangisi. Tapos tweet pa ni Present Progressive, smile pays up, who wore it better? Yung isa picture ni Barbie doon sa sa premiere night ng Hello Love Again. At next ay na nga, meron silang certificate. At ito, Barda. Picture of Sir Nathan, si Isabel, si Mir, si Daddy Tony, Pulang Araw staff, and GMA crew. So, post ng GMA News, Pulang Araw cast, Barbie Fortesa, David Licauco, J.R. Taga, Rochelle Pangilinan, together with director Dominic Zapata and their production and creative team visited UST Anglicum College today, November 14. At yun na nga si Barbie tsaka si David. At bakit laging nakasandal yung mga ulo nila? O, diba? What they see and what I see. Grabe. At yun na nga yun, may pa-video si Miss Isabel Bulatao. Bakit parang feeling ko mall show to, hindi school tour? Anyway, ito nga ay pinost ng Sparkle. Ito mas malinaw na makakuha. Ayan o, inalala ni David. At upo, ayan o. Sinasandal niya yung ulo niya, kaya malaki si Barbie. At yun ang nagsasalita, nakaharap kay Barbie talaga. Grabe. Ang saya-saya ni David tsaka ni Barbie. Anyway, ayan na nga. Oh, diba? Grabe. Ay nako, I so love this school tour na to. Next naman ay post ni Likhatsi Club, PUP, you are next. Join the cast and crew of Pulang Araw on November 19, 2024 at 2 p.m. for an informative and engaging discussion during their school tour at PUP College of Communication. This event is open to all PUPians. At tweet nga ng David's advocate, as for info, hindi kasama si David Licauco on the said date due to conflict of schedule. Ay, sayang naman. At next ay post ni James Licauco, ayan, nagstrada siya sa Japan. At ito, Osaka punta. At yan na nga. Ang ganda nung background ni James, no? Parang temple. At yun na kanyang OOTD. Ayan, napaka-cute na si James Licauco. Sana all nakakapag-Japan, no? Anyway, mayaman kasi siya. At solo niya yan, no? Compare na sa kanya. Ayan, napaka-cute na si James. And there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more bird updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!